If you're tired of spending too much time making smoothies only to end up with chunky mixtures, you're definitely not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet Blender is a compact powerhouse priced at just $43.90. What caught my attention was its 22-ounce capacity and 250-watt motor, which makes it ideal for quick single-serve smoothies. If you want a blender that's easy to use and clean, this is worth a serious look. This blender really tackles your smoothie-making frustrations. The 250-watt high-torque power base blends everything from fruits to vegetables quickly, so you can whip up a smoothie in a flash. It also comes with various cups and lids, including a party mug and resealable lids, which means you can take your smoothie on the go without any hassle. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is as effortless as blending. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Many people want a straightforward, no-fuss blender that saves them time and hassle in the kitchen. The Magic Bullet does just that, with over 20,000 units sold in the last month, showing it's popular for a reason. Now, some people complained about the motor not being powerful enough for tougher ingredients like frozen fruits. Here's the thing though, it excels at blending softer items and is perfect for quick smoothies. So if you're not planning to blend frozen chunks often, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you lead a busy lifestyle and want to make quick smoothies or snacks without any mess. Skip this one if you regularly blend tougher ingredients or large quantities. For the price, it provides excellent value for a compact blender. Now, if the Magic Bullet's limited power concerns you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, NutriBullet Personal Blender. Next up is the NutriBullet Personal Blender, priced at $68.52. This one caught my eye because of its impressive 600 watts of power and sleek design. If speed and efficiency are your top priorities, this is definitely worth considering. What makes the NutriBullet a suitable choice for you is how it effortlessly blends fruits, veggies, and more into delicious, nutritious smoothies. With 600 watts of power, you can expect smooth textures without any chunks, which is crucial if you're aiming for that perfect morning smoothie. It has a simple push-twist mechanism, meaning it's so easy to use, just load your ingredients, twist, and blend. Plus, it's portable, which means you can take your smoothie straight to work or the gym. This blender also has a solid reputation, with over 10,000 units sold recently. Many users rave about how easy it is to clean, as you can just twist off the blades and pop the cups in the dishwasher. However, some users have mentioned that the blades can be tricky to clean thoroughly. Here's the thing, though, as long as you rinse them immediately after use, I found cleaning easier than expected. If you're someone who doesn't mind a little extra effort, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, user-friendly blender that's ready in no time. Skip this one if you're looking for a larger capacity for family-sized servings. For the investment, this blender delivers great performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for blending a variety of ingredients. Product number 3, Ninja NutriPro Blender. The Ninja NutriPro Blender is priced at $79.99 and boasts a powerful 1,000 peak watt motor. Its standout feature for me was the 2 Auto IQ preset programs that take the guesswork out of blending. If you want a blender that can handle tough ingredients effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. This blender is designed for those who want nothing but smooth results. The 1,000 peak watt motor means it can crush ice and pulverize even the toughest frozen fruits in seconds. If you're tired of lumpy smoothies, this is your solution. Plus, it comes with 2 24-ounce single-serve cups, so you can blend and go without any extra dishes. With over 7,000 units sold last month, it's clear many people are finding success with the Ninja. The nutrient extraction technology helps you unlock hidden nutrients from whole fruits and veggies, which is a game changer if you're health conscious. Now, some users have noted that it's a bit loud during operation. Here's the thing, if you're blending in the morning while others are still sleeping, it might wake them up, but the performance is worth the noise, especially for quick morning smoothies. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful blender that can tackle anything you throw at it. Skip this one if you prefer a quieter appliance. For the price, you're getting a top-tier machine that's hard to beat. If noise is a concern for you, the next product might be a better fit. Product number 4, Ninja Fit Compact Blender. Next is the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender, which comes in at $54.99. I was impressed by its compact design and 700-watt motor. If you're looking for a portable blender that doesn't sacrifice power, this is a good choice. The Ninja Fit packs a punch, blending ingredients smoothly and quickly thanks to its 700-watt motor. Plus, it blends directly into the 16-ounce cups, making it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. And let's be honest, no one wants to deal with a ton of cleanup in the mornings. With over 4,000 units sold recently, many users appreciate its size and efficiency. The ease of cleaning is another plus, as all parts are dishwasher safe. However, some people found the blending time a bit longer than expected for denser ingredients. Here's the thing though, if you're blending leafy greens or softer fruits, it performs beautifully. For those who want a quick smoothie, you'll find this blender meets your needs. This is perfect for you if you want a compact blender that's easy to carry around. Skip this one if you need to blend larger quantities at once. Given its capabilities, it's a solid option for the price. Now, if you're after something a bit more powerful and versatile, the final product might just be what you need. Product number 5, KOIOS Smoothie Blender. Last but not least is the KOIOS Smoothie Blender, priced at $40.99. What grabbed my attention was its powerful 900-watt motor and dual 22-ounce cups. If you want a solid blend of power and portability, this one's definitely worth your time. The KOIOS blender stands out with its pulse technology and high-speed performance at 23,000 RPM. The two 22-ounce cups mean you have enough capacity for a generous serving, and the portable design allows you to take your smoothies anywhere. With over 3,000 units sold recently, it's clear that this blender is gaining traction. Users love how quickly it prepares smoothies and shakes, plus it comes with a recipe book to inspire healthy eating. However, there were some complaints about the blender occasionally overheating during extended use. Here's the thing, as long as you follow the recommended usage guidelines, it's a non-issue. The added safety features provide peace of mind during operation. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, budget-friendly option that's easy to use on the go. Skip this one if you plan to blend for long periods at a time. For its price point, it offers great features and performance. To wrap it up, we covered the Magic Bullet, NutriBullet, Ninja NutriPro, Ninja Fit, and the KOIOS blender. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Ninja NutriPro because of its powerful motor and nutrient extraction capabilities, making it a top contender for smoothie lovers. On the flip side, I'd suggest avoiding the Magic Bullet if you need something that handles frozen fruits well. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.